What is a volcano? Our planet Earth is made of layers, like an onion or an apple. The 4 layers are the crust, the mantle, the outer core, the inner core. We live on the crust. Deep inside the Earth, it's really hot. So hot that the rock is melted. It's called magma. Volcanoes are a natural way for the Earth to let up some of the pressure that builds up inside. When the pressure becomes too much, an eruption occurs. The magma that shoots out is called lava. Lava is bright red and very hot. The tube in the middle of the volcano is called a vent, and the top of the volcano, where the lava comes out, is called the crater. Sometimes lava shoots up in the air. Sometimes it just oozes out of the volcano and creates rivers of fire that look like syrup. The lava is so hot, it destroys everything in its path. When it finally cools down, it becomes rock. There are 1,500 active volcanoes around the world, and many more that are extinct.